Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Nuki Smartlock with Nuki app on Android smartphone. To do this, we'll need to click on Nuki app, then move to the three lines in the top left corner of the screen and select Manage Devices. Go for the Smart Lock, set up Smart Lock. Now you will get the instructions on how to mount it inside your door. And I'm not gonna follow that, mine is right here and I just want to pair it, so let's click on yes, then next, and here we can enter our name, and now it should begin searching for our lock, and we can click and hold this middle button for 5 seconds. Okay, so it's in the pairing mode, and now let's wait till it shows up on our smartphone. It's done. We can name it. Set our location. Choose the lever or knob, depending on which one of them you have on your door. We need to set our security code. Or skip it if you want. Actually, I'm gonna skip it and start the calibration. It will basically spin when you start the calibration. And now it failed because I don't have it connected to the door, but that's how you pair it with the app in case you have mounted it inside your door. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.